Getting here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 23rd, and we're going to do an update on the Victory Garden. It's been exactly 41 days since we started this project. Now, the newest thing that we've added here is we planted 4 short rows of early peas or green peas, English peas, whatever you want to call them, right here, and they're just now starting to pop up. Won't be long. They'll be growing good as these ones in the main garden. But anyway, let's take a look here. We've got our shallots, and they're really doing good. Our radishes, it's been 40 days, and they're almost there. It might be a week or so, and we'll be able to eat some radishes. Our carrots are doing real good. They're getting their second leaves, or their true leaves, out there. And of course, our mustard greens and turnip greens are looking good. In fact, they're looking so good, it's hard for me to tell which is which. I'm believing those are turnips, though, it looks like. And we've been having a rough go at some of these. Now, this cabbage here, sometimes, and this is what we got, I need to come down here and deal with these, get me some diatomaceous earth. The ants will come up on the bottom of these cabbages. Now, our Hilton cabbage here, we lost 2 of them. I just replaced these today with some Mitchahili cabbages. Or most of our bok choy are looking good. This one here looks a little troubled, but we're not going to worry too much. Our little spinach is coming along. Collards are looking good. And the lettuce won't be probably a week or 2. If we keep up with this weather, we'll be able to have us a little salad. Some of that and those radishes go pretty good. Our onions are coming along now. I did put in a couple of garlic in here. They was little bitty. Here's one right here. And there was a few others. It was a garlic. Looks like another one's coming up right there. It was when I was moving my shelves around for my grow station, getting them ready for put my transplants under. One of them had fell down on the ground on the floor and got lost, and it looked like it's trying to grow. So we figured our Victory Garden would do really well with some garlic. But we've been doing pretty good. We've been having to take and get the occasional weed out that was growing through from the bottom. But it's not doing too bad, and it won't be long. The weather's warming up. We'll probably try to stick us a tomato and a few peppers. We were going to put some broccoli, but we had planted all our transplants, so it didn't make it up here. Now, I do have some little French fingering potatoes. I think I'll put a few of them in here. And if you think I'm missing something, besides, like say, some of the spring plants, a couple of eggplants, a few tomatoes, and a few peppers, let me know in the comments. And if you have started a garden this year, whether you call it a Victory Garden or you just started gardening for the first time, let me know, and let me know what you're going to try to grow for your first year, or what you're putting in your Victory Garden. And if you want to follow along, just hit the subscribe, hit that bell, and select all, and give her a big thumbs up. Enjoy that gardening experience.